Good morning to everybody out there. It is currently 7:06 a.m. Today, it's a North Carolina weather video. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Justin Tomlin. I'm from Statesville, North Carolina. If you don't know where that is, it's above Charlotte in North Carolina. Today's date is December 8th, 2010. It is time for today's edition of North Carolinian weather video. I need to start putting my web address URL on there or whatever, but it's no it's not, dang it, erase that. It's northcarolinianweather.blogspot.com. Okay. Today, let's see, I'll go ahead and show you the current temps in the United States. And today I've got a piece of paper taped over my computer screen, and the part that I can't see, like, because I know in a couple videos that I've shot you couldn't tell what I was pointing to because my face is in the way. So, but current temperatures 13, 14 in the mountains, wind chills below zero up there pretty much. 16 in Statesville, 20 down to Myrtle Beach. You probably might not be able to see that. 14 all the way down to the coast pretty much. 15 Charlotte, 8. Whoa, that's a single digit. Where is that at? In Andrews. Is that right? 8 in Andrews, yeah. Dang. 8 degrees. Okay. Let's take you farther out. Show you some of the more national temperatures. Let's see. Alright. Got -1 somewhere in Illinois. -9 up in Canada. 46 up in Canada. 53 in Seattle. 55 in, okay, Key West. Okay, so I've been saying that's Miami, but that's Key West. Pretty much same difference. It is 24 degrees in is that Orlando? I'm pretty sure that's Orlando. No, it's I can't see from my face or the paper or whatever, but it's somewhere in Florida, and it's 24 degrees. That's ridiculous. 19 at Columbia. But yeah, you see the cold temperatures right here. This time next week, well, maybe not this time next week, but next Tuesday, it's going to be even colder than this. A couple days next week, we might not get out of the 20s here in Statesville. There's still some things to be worked on with that, but that's a possibility. Coldest temperature in the U.S., the award goes to Davenport. I think that was the one yesterday who won it. Well, and then the warmest temperature does not go to Key West. It goes to Brownsville in Texas. Okay, that's the place that like 4 or 5 years ago got snow on Christmas. I remember that because I was like, well, they deserve it because they in Texas. But here's the system. I don't know if you remember me talking about an East Coast snowstorm, not this one coming up this weekend, but one back like a week ago, and I was talking about it coming in now, and then the models just switched on it. Well, there's the storm right there. It's I think that's pretty heavy. I mean, that's heavier precip than the model was printing out. We're going to get some clouds from that. No precip, it doesn't look like. Stray flurry might not be out of the possibility, but yeah, doubt it. But this system will move into Florida pretty much, and just along the northern Gulf, and I think Atlanta could see some flurries. I do imagine that, but this system will not be a big player in our weather. The system that we're talking about, I think this one is maybe the Clipper that's going to move through. Maybe, yeah. Our system's still out here in the Pacific, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. But anyways, let's go ahead to the modeling. Alright, here is the no gaps. Is this the one I want to show you first? Yeah, no gaps. No, I don't want to show you the no gaps first. Okay. Here is the Canadian. Okay, so here's the system. It's got it coming in. It's got the low pressure system. Okay, hold on. Okay. Here's the Canadian. It's got the low pressure system over Arkansas and now over western Kentucky, brings it up through the Great Lakes pretty much. Not too many people get snow from it. The rain moves out by 7 p.m. Sunday. The only places that get snow is western Pennsylvania, western New York, and that's about it. And eventually all of New York when the system pulls out. Okay, here is the European. Okay, systems developing over western Tennessee, eastern Arkansas, moves in, or it moves up through New York. Okay, so it's in New York and then it's way out. Okay, here is the UK map. Hold on. Here's the UK map. System developing a little further south, western Tennessee, northwestern Mississippi. 120, near the coast of North Carolina. This is a different solution. I don't know how reliable this one is compared to GFS and stuff, but UK map is showing that we could get some snow out of this. Taking verbatim, that's some snow for us, at least by the tail end of it anyways. Okay, so then we move on. Here is the no gaps. There's out to Sunday morning, 7 a.m., rain starting to spread over the region. In between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. you'll probably have some more rain and then eventually switching over to snow here in North Carolina. Okay, there we are. There's the 0 degree line, and I don't know what that is, but anyways, I can't remember the exact degree line that is, but that's some pretty heavier precip over us, and then going out and it's all gone by 7 a.m. Monday. But that's taken verbatim. That's 1, 2, that's 3 or 4 inches for us if it all stuck. Not going to happen, but or it might, you never know. But like I said last night, if you watch my videos, more of the models are pointing away from the East Coast system. But let me show you this one. Hold on. Okay, and this is showing snow further east. Okay, and then there was one more model, I think. Shoot, maybe I didn't get to pull that one up. Maybe it was the UK map that I was going to talk about. Yeah, hold on, it's over here. Okay, I'll show you that in a minute. Alright, snowfall prediction from the European. This model right here. Okay, they took it all the way up to New England, through New York, and from western Tennessee. Snow prediction for that. Not a whole lot of snow, okay? And that's not a whole lot of snow at all, and definitely not for us, okay? Here is the DGEX, which I did not put the model. Let me show you it over here. Okay, DGEX, okay. This is Monday morning, okay, right? Yeah, I think this is Monday. Monday, okay. Right, is it not going to let me show you? Okay. Alright, dang it. Let me see if I can't zoom in. Hold on, how do I zoom in? Okay, there we go. Alright, you might be able to see it now. Okay. Zoom in. Okay, there we go. You see, we're in between 30 and 35. Look where the moisture is. It's over us. 30 and 35 and some moisture over us. That's snow. You see the low pressure system out here. Okay, over the eastern part of the state. Kind of like the UK map was showing. Could this be a new trend? Could this storm actually track up the east coast and give us snow? And there's the 0 degree line right there, and it's east of us. Okay, so we'll have to keep watching this because then the printout for snow on the DGEX is over here. Let's see, DGEX snow. Look what it brings us. Okay, that brings us. Okay, that takes the more easterly track, and that's what's his name? Henry Margucity or something like that, but he always calls it the Big Daddy storm. That would be a Big Daddy along the East Coast. Not, I mean, it wouldn't be for the actual coastal cities, but for most of central Pennsylvania, all of New York, northern Virginia. That's like how much snow? That's, okay, y'all can't see this, but it's like 20 inches of snow or something. Okay, for us, this is 1, 2, I've got to get a little close, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3 to 4 inches for us, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for east of Statesville. There's a little pocket, 4 to 6 inches. So this storm is still something to watch. I told y'all last night I wasn't going to rule out anything completely until Friday. Here's some of the here's the GFS printout of precip, and the GFS does not like cooperating, so I can't even, I can show it to y'all, but it's not, no, I might not even be able to show it to y'all now. It doesn't like pulling up on this site. But here is the 0Z run, okay, and it's got snow coming down all the way into Alabama, but no snow for us, snow for the mountains. But that's about it. Let's see. Why do I think? Hold on. What model do I agree with right now? I don't agree with any of them right now. I think a mix would be nice, and we get rain / snow, and then we see what. Like I said, we're only at Thursday. We're only at Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We got 3 days. Okay. We'll count today. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We got 4 days, and then part of Sunday. We got 4 or 5 days to watch the models flip back and forth. The trend this morning is looking better. Okay. If you want snow here. I'll keep an eye on it. I'll put out a video tonight with the updated maps. I'll try to draw up a forecast map, a preliminary forecast map for what's going to happen. Cold air stays in here till about tomorrow. It warms up a little bit. By Friday and Saturday and Sunday, the temperature, well, Sunday's still in the process, but Friday and Saturday will warm up a little bit, probably upper 40s, mid to upper 40s. Next week, we go back in the freezer. We're down to highs colder than this week. Some days not getting above 20s. I think I've already mentioned that. Yeah, so get ready. That's about it, I think. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's about it. Cold air, yeah, okay. Let me show you the NAO. Alright, let me show you what what is the NAO, Justin? Okay, North American. I need North Atlantic. Well, we'll go with this one. I don't think that's the right one there. North Atlantic. There we go. Okay. Positive NAO. What are we now, Justin? We are negative. Not as negative as I would like to see it, but we'll see. Okay. So we're negative. Negative NAO. Increased potential for wintry weather in NC. Okay. Because you got below average temperatures across the eastern U.S. That's what we've got going on now, and that's why it's negative and it's so cold. And it's not going to trend positive till after the storm, okay? Arctic Oscillation. Well, what is an Arctic Oscillation? Okay? And the North Atlantic Oscillation is like, it's just the different strengthening of the Icelandic low and Azores high, okay? Yeah. Y'all don't need to know that, but just thought I'd throw that out there. Arctic Oscillation. Okay. Arctic Oscillation means, okay, when you got a negative Arctic Oscillation, we're pretty negative. Or right now, and we're going to branch up to positive, okay? Positive Arctic Oscillation, because we'll be negative by the time the storm comes, but what does a positive mean? Positive means warmer, okay? Here's the deal. Why is the Arctic Oscillation going positive? You know them temperatures warming up this weekend? That's part of it, okay? Then the bottom drops out. Alright, so it'd be like, this is the 7th where we're at now, or 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. Okay, so 13th's like here. We're negative back. Okay, so 11th. We're going to have to keep watching this system. But anyways, see how it goes way negative? Arctic Oscillation, if it's negative, then you got cooler than average temperatures over the east part of the country, and pretty much all the country except for like Maine. But yeah, so it's going to get cold after this system, and that's where I was talking about cold highs. Okay, the PNA. What's the PNA, Justin? Pacific North American. Okay, no, that's not right there. PNA? You sure that's right? Maybe it is. Positive PNA. Above average number of winter events in North Carolina. It's trending positive by the 20th. The 20th is a system I was going to talk about today, but I'm not going to. After I rule out this system, if I rule out this system, then I will start talking about the 20th. But I might show you a little bit this evening on the 20th, but I didn't want to this morning because I'm already like 10 minutes into the video, and it's late, and I gotta go. So, have a good day, and that's about it. Thank you for watching.